Hey guys, and welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video we will be doing the unboxing of the Boya Lavalier microphone. We used to get a lot of feedback about the bad audio quality in our videos, so we just thought it's the right time to upgrade the audio quality in our videos. In this video we'll be doing the unboxing of the Boya microphone, and we shall take a first look of how it is. Let's get started. This is the box package of the Boya Lavalier microphone. The model number is BYM1. Lavalier microphone is useful for connecting it to your collar and speaking in the videos. A few features of the microphone has been mentioned on the box. The information about the microphone, the pricing, the manufacture date and all other things has been mentioned on the lower side. Now let's get started by opening the box of the microphone itself. Once we open the box of the Boya BYM1, we'll get a leather case. It is a leather carry case. It looks really good. Now let's keep it to the side and see what all things we get. There is some instruction information about the mic. There is this warranty card, and inside this booklet there is information on how you can operate the mic, how you can connect to smartphones, your DSLRs or other type of cameras, and many other information on troubleshooting and how to operate this microphone. Let's keep all these things to the side, and this is the leather package of the Boya microphone itself. On opening the components of the leather package, we'll get to the product Boya Lavalier microphone. We'll get another pouch where the dead cat or the noise reducing soft sponge that is present will be provided, and there is the cell inside this cover, and there is an adapter with which you can connect to certain type of cameras. Let's keep this thing to the side and check out the microphone itself. This is the original product, the Boya BYM1. And this is a part where you can fit in to your smartphones, the 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's untangle the cables, and this is the mic. You need to fix the sponge onto the head of the mic in order to make sure the external noise is reduced. This part helps in the noise reduction and reducing external disturbances. Now we have to attach the clip on the head of the microphone. This helps in wearing the microphone on your shirt. Now we have to attach the batteries on the Boya microphone. The battery is important if you are using the microphone with a camera or a DSLR. You need not use the batteries in this particular microphone if you are using this mic with a smartphone. Now the batteries has been provided in the cover that I showed earlier. You have to put the battery as per the positive and negative side that is provided in this battery slot. After putting the battery, just put back the case on this part of the microphone. Hey guys, I'm checking the audio quality from the Boya microphone. The audio that you are listening right now is without connecting the microphone. I'll be connecting the Boya mic to the phone, and we will check the audio quality. All the sound or the noise, the external disturbances that will be present in the video should be reduced after connecting this microphone. Let's test it. Now I have connected the Boya microphone, and this is the mic from which we will be talking, and I hope from the future videos the audio quality in the videos will be improved. Just leave a comment on how the audio quality is so that we can adjust as per the new settings. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching guys.